Get off to the best possible beginning on parshealthTV's weight loss methods with these 13 diet and training tips. Stay tuned with us. Number 13. Give your breakfast a protein boost. Aim for about 15 to 25 grams of protein at breakfast meals. Protein is digested gradually and stops hunger hormones, assisting in keeping you full. Also, a high-protein breakfast aids in curbing cravings later in the day. Pair protein-rich foods with fiber and nutritious fats, like 2 eggs with avocado and whole wheat toast, or high-protein frozen waffles with berries, nuts, and a little maple syrup. Number 12. Eat protein at every meal. As we mentioned, consuming protein-rich foods at every meal, particularly breakfast, can aid in shaving extra pounds. Protein hinders the digestive process and positively influences your hunger hormones. Protein can also do better at staving off hunger than carbs. Protein-rich foods are quinoa, beans, edamame, seeds, eggs, nuts, yogurt, tofu, cheese, lentil pasta, fish, poultry, and meat. Number 11. Eat slowly. I have my clients realize how to pick foods they enjoy, really taste each morsel going into their mouths, and chew gradually. I recommend they chew slowly, swallowing only when the food is completely chewed up, and repeating. It takes time to know we're full. Eating slowly lets us enjoy our meals more and gives us better satiety signals. Number 10. Don't skip meals. Keep in mind our body's final goal is to stay alive. As soon as we are saved from calories, which are the life energy for our bodies, they will do something to survive. Our body learns what foods are higher in energy levels, and we will crave those foods more. Honor your hunger and don't let your body assume it's being starved. This goes against numerous dieting tactics, but those tactics don't function well for individuals in the long term. I typically suggest consuming every 4 hours. Number 9. Ditch added sugar. Added sugar, particularly from sugary drinks, is a significant cause of unhealthy weight gain and health issues such as diabetes and heart conditions. Besides, foods, including soda, candy, and baked goods that have lots of added sugars, tend to be very low in the nutrients your body requires to be healthy. Cutting out foods with extra sugars is a fantastic way to lose excess weight. It's critical to mention that even foods labeled as healthy or organic can be really high in sugar. So, reading nutrition labels is very important. Number 8. Stay hydrated. The research discovered that individuals who drank 2 glasses of water before eating their meal lost more weight than individuals who didn't drink water before meals, and they kept it off. This easy tip functions in 2 ways. Thirst can mask itself as hunger, leading you to eat more food. And water makes you feel fuller, causing you to consume less during a meal. Number 7. Enjoy the food you eat. So usually, we're told what to consume, and then when we don't enjoy that exact food, we're less prone to develop long-term healthy rituals. Try new fruits and veggies. Find out how to prepare new meals that deliver variety and new flavors. Add herbs and spices to promote the flavor. Or, if you prefer, savor the sweetness of fruit and the depth of raw and steamed veggies. There's no explanation that your relationship with food can't be enjoyable. Number 6. Look beyond the scale. However, the scale isn't useless. It isn't the only important thing. To aid you in gauging the development that might not be shown on the scale, take frequent photos and measurements. Additionally, keep a running list of non-scale victories. This will aid in keeping the scale in perspective and demonstrate to you all the positive modifications you're making to your health and overall lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Make room for healthy fat. Although fat is usually the first thing that cuts out when someone is trying to slim down, healthy fats can truly assist you in reaching your weight loss plans. In reality, following a high-fat diet that's high in foods such as olive oil, Avocados and nuts have been revealed to maximize weight loss in many studies. What's more, fats assist you in staying fuller for longer, reducing cravings and allowing you to stay on track. Number 4. Don't forget the weights. Ensure you are lifting weights at least 2 or 3 times a week. Utilizing moderate to heavy weights, 3 or 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps with dumbbells that challenge you aids in stimulating your muscle mass. When you have more muscle in the body, the food you consume is more likely to be used as fuel rather than kept as fat. Number 3. Walk your way to health. Many individuals think they must adopt a strict workout routine to jumpstart the weight loss process. While various kinds of activity are essential when you are trying to get in shape, walking is an amazing and comfortable way to torch calories. Actually, just 30 minutes of walking daily have been indicated to help in weight loss. Besides, it's a pleasurable activity that you can do indoors and outside at any time you want. Number 2. Get enough Z's. A lack of sleep boosts your hunger hormone, ghrelin, and reduces your satisfaction hormone, leptin, which can be related to weight gain. When we are sleep deprived, we crave more sweet and salty foods. Why? Because anytime you feel more severe hunger, your cravings for higher energy foods, aka higher calories. We also know that the way we feel and process our emotions is influenced by impaired sleep, so it's simple to connect this with an inadequate ability to make sound options in multiple areas of life, such as food. If we flip the coin, we can safely think that the time we are well rested, we will make better selections. When it comes to nutrition, that would mean that we would consume when we are really hungry and consume just until satisfied. Our hormones will also be better balanced because our bodies have the time required to sleep, repair, and refresh. Number 1. Think big, not small. Concentrate on the weight loss big rocks. A few areas will offer you the most bang for your buck when attempting to lose weight. Prioritizing those and letting go of all the minutiae that contribute to overwhelming will make achieving your goals feel easier and more sustainable. On the nutrition front, focus on calories, protein, and fiber. For exercise, prioritize daily steps, strength training, and recovery. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.